I have a statement to make. I will send to the Senate the nomination of Judge Sandra Day O'Connor of Arizona.
Today, the Senate Judiciary Committee opened confirmation hearings on the nomination of Judge Sandra Day O'Connor,
The first woman to sit on the Supreme Court.
It was a savvy political pick. Here's this woman who looks like she could be on the PTA.
She could carry both roles, the conventional female role and the judicial role.
But nobody knew what her views were.
Sandra Day was near the top of her class at Stanford Law School, top 10%. She was given one job interview.
I think it came as a shock to her.
Nothing would frustrate her more than to suggest a woman wasn't able to do a job.
Is the first woman nominated for the Supreme Court too much of a feminist?
Self-described moral majority opposed President Reagan's choice.
The court's expectation was that as a woman, she would keep a low profile.
But she never got the message.
A divided Supreme Court handed down its long-awaited rulings on affirmative action.
Missouri is asking the justices to overturn the Roe v. Wade decision.
Sandra Day O'Connor cast the fifth and deciding vote.
She hated being called the swing justice, but that's exactly what she was.
That leaves Sandra Day O'Connor with the pivotal vote.
The shots are being called by Sandra Day O'Connor.
She wanted to be a part of everybody's conversation because that's really where you can make the most difference.
So she would withhold her vote and then negotiate with whoever it was that had been assigned the opinion.
This gave her immense power.
If you could win O'Connor, then you could win 5-4.
But on the really tough cases, the big social issues like affirmative action and abortion, religion, her view was that the Supreme Court is not the last word.
It's never an end to any issue. It's more a continuing dialogue.
Between
the court and the Congress and the nation as a whole.